one thing I see, man, of course, running a home healthcare agency, if we would have ran our agency the way we did back in 2007 when we first got started, Nick, we'd be honestly out of business. So we had to do a pivot change as well, man. So I want to kind of delve deeper into that right there, man, because I know you've helped so many home healthcare providers. And this conversation is definitely geared towards those home healthcare providers, but also for entrepreneurs. Take note, because the same principles that he's going to be talking about applies to other industries as well. So Nick, delve a little bit deeper in that, man. Tell us specifically, what do you do to go through and help home healthcare providers actually thrive in this digital age?
Yeah, absolutely. As you know, the world's changing, and having your foot in the digital world is crucial. It's not this would be nice to have anymore. It's absolutely essential. And if COVID taught us anything, it became even more relevant, where the people that were already online were good, were able to at least float, but the people that weren't, trying to get in, and now they're playing catch up. And when it comes to realistically, right, every business that exists that's out there, the key fundamental piece is about building relationships. It doesn't matter what business you're in, whether you're an accountant, you work at a bank, whatever it is, it's all business relationships. And so when it comes to social media and really helping my clients, it's really about how are we leveraging that to create more powerful connections, to get people to know who we are so they can know us, like us, and trust us. Because at the end of the day, that's who we want to do business with.
Yes.
You want to do business with people that and you're like, I like these guys. I like this person. I want to do business with them. And so I'm really helping my clients to kind of get out of their shell a little bit. I know, especially when it comes to video, people are very, very hesitant to getting on camera. And so really taking that time to push them a little bit, as well as give them the strategy behind it, because it's not just about what you're doing on social media. It's not just about posting, but really having a digital marketing strategy around it. I saw this quote the other day that's like, Instagram Reels is not a strategy. It's just a feature on Instagram. And so it's really important. And social media is the same thing. It's just the tool. You still have to have a strategy to back it up. And that's what I really help my clients to do, is to implement it so they can get results.
Man, and I think what you said was definitely having the tool, because I think about it as like a toolbox. We can have all the tools in the toolbox, but if we don't know how to use the jigsaw, know how to use the hammer, know how to use the screwdriver, it's just a tool. It has the potential of doing something great, just like the internet, just like social media has the potential to do something great. But when you put those tools in the right hand of a skilled person, now you can go through and build something amazing. And that's one thing, Nick, I look at you as that skilled person, and what you're doing is training healthcare providers to go through and actually pick up the tools. Don't be afraid of the tools. Don't be afraid of the cameras. Don't be afraid of having the conversation, but to pick up the tools and put them to work, man. And I just want to go through and say, man, that's amazing.
Do you want to learn how so many people just like you are getting incredible results on social media? Then you have got to check out my brand new free training, Social Media Success, where you're going to learn the 5 biggest mistakes home care business owners are making and how you can avoid them. All you got to do is go to thedigitalchamps.com/social and start watching today.